Hi, this is Shamin here. I'm from Educatorsharmin YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter I have, so you can follow me there. So in this video, I'm going to teach you science, that is life safety and first aid. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So what is a first aid? So first aid, that is the fast and immediate help to given the injured people before they are taken to a hospital. And emergency, that is the emergency treatment or emergency care that is given to an ill or injured person before medical service arrive. So it can sometimes save a person's life, and accident can cause serious injuries, so we should be careful about that and follow safety rules to avoid them. So what should be done in case a person's clothes catches fire? So made to roll on the floor to control the flames. Should be then covered with a thick blanket, and water can also be used to control the flames. And synthetic, that is the nylon clothes, should avoid while handling fire or while cooking, so it catch fire easily. And in case of major fire, that nearest the fire station should be informed. So you need to collect some phone number, you need to write down emergency phone number. It can help you and save on the mobile phone or tablet or computer or laptop. So if it is a small fire, then we can use a special instrument called fire extinguisher. So now I'm going to ask you one question: why should we not operate an electrical switches when there is a gas leak? So gas leak, if gas leak is, all doors and windows will be open. That is the one way you can avoid. And number two, that is you should not strike a match or operate any electrical switches in such a case. And reason, that what's the reason why? That is the electrical switches generate sparks while being switches on and off. So faulty gas pipes should also be replaced. Guys, now I'm going to ask you one question: what first aid should be given to a person with a minor burn? So number one, that is wash the burned area, that is the cool running water for sometimes it will be 10 minutes, and apply cream, antiseptic cream or Barnaul, that is fine, or a paste of baking soda on the burn area, and blister it formed must not be pricked. So blister, what do you mean by blister? Blister means that is the swelling on the skin using filled with water, that is blister. Now I'm going to talk about animal bites. So animal bites can cause a disease called rabies. So maybe you have dog, you have cat, so the risk of rabies is high if bitten by stray animals. That is the stray animal, that is the one kind of animal, that is the pet, no longer has a home, that is cannot find its home. So rabies, that is the serious nervous, that is the serious disease of nervous system that can cause death. So it can be passed one human to other animals such as dogs, cats, foxes, bats. So in case of animal bite, wash the wound area running cool or running water and cover with a clean bandage and go to doctor immediately. So now I'm going to talk about bee stings. This is another kind of problem. So bee stings, that is the whenever you bee is a bite you, that time apply paste of baking soda and toothpaste and apply vinegar or lemon juice. And another problem, that is a snake bite. So snake bite, do not allow any movement of the bitten arm, leg, in order to keep the venom from the spreading through the body. Life safety and first aid. Accident. So what is accident? Accident, anything that happens by chance and causes damage or injury. First aid. So what is first aid? First aid, that is the treatment. Emergency care, it will be emergency care or treatment given, that is an ill or injured person before medical service arrive, that is first aid. Question number 1, what types of accidents are there at home? What kind of accidents are there at home? So there are common types of accident that we fall or cut, choking, that means whenever you eat something very quickly it's stuck in your throat, and fires, burns, electric shock, poisoning at home. That is very common type of accidents at home. Question number 2, how should we separate the person from the source of electricity? How should we separate? We should separate the person from the source of electricity by turning the main switch off. Turning the main switch off, that is the best way we can separate the person from electrical shock. Question number 3, how do we give first aid to a burned person? So we give first aid to a burned person in the following ways. Number 1, using cold water. It will be 10 minutes. Apply Barnaul, that is the cream, Barnaul or coconut oil. If you do not have Barnaul, then you can use coconut oil. See a doctor if necessary. That is important, guys. Snake bite. So how can we prevent snake bite? So we can avoid snake bites by taking following steps. Number 1, never try to handle a snake. Do not play with snake. Number 2, keep our yard tidy to reduce place where snakes hide. Number 3, avoid places where snakes live. So you will not go there. There is a snake is live there. So here is some short more question that is I already given. That is number 1, what type of accidents are there at home? How should we separate the person from the source of electricity? And how do we give first aid to a burned person? That is already given. Next one, that is a broad question. So here is a number 1. What are the general rules of first aid? What are the general rules? So there are some general rules at first aid, that is how to provide first aid in different accidents. That is our number 1. Calling for help, that is number 1. Number 2, keep ourselves safe. Do not move injured person, that is the general rule, and keep the person calm. Explain how to rescue a drowning person. So call adult for help. Take the person out of the water by using a long pole or rope, and use a flotation device like a wooden plate. And number 3, how can we prevent a snake bite? Never try to handle a snake. Keep our yard tidy to reduce places where snakes hide. Avoid places where snakes live. Number 4, when a person is not breathing, what should we do? So when a person is not breathing, we can open airway by gently fitting, that is the tightening back and the tilting back and back the head and lifting the chin. We should pinch the nose and place our mouth over their mouth and blow until their chest rises. We should continue rescue breaths and chest expressions until they are breathing. Keep and do not panic, guys. All right, and if you move, then venom will go all over it spread very quickly all over the body. So you just keep it and bind it, any clothes or anything, if you any rope or anything, you just bind it. So guys, I hope that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video. Keep watching and keep practicing. Go through your textbooks, read the books thoroughly. There is a lots of picture, it can help you to understand the topics, and draw a diagram, label it, color it, make it fun. So guys, I hope that's all for today, and thank you for watching and see you soon with another new video. And keep watching and keep practicing, and good luck your science test. Thank you so much.